As humans, we think that fast people win and loud people succeed, but nature tells a different story. This is the story of a slow turtle and a deep, dangerous river. Near a big forest, there was a dark, muddy river. It looked calm on the surface, but inside it was strong and dangerous. Many animals lived near the river. Deer jumped across it easily, monkeys swung using the trees, and birds flew over the water. But one turtle lived there too. He had no wings, no long legs, and he was very slow. Every day, the turtle came to the river, looked at the water, waited for some time, and then went back. One night, a big storm came. Rain fell very hard, thunder shook the sky, and trees moved in the wind. In the morning, the shallow path in the river was gone. The water had become deep and fast. The animals came and looked at the river. "This river is too dangerous," said the deer. "We must wait," said the fox. "We will find another way," said the birds. The turtle said nothing. The turtle went into the forest and found a small stone. He pushed it with his head. The stone was heavy. He slipped many times and his shell got scratches. Slowly, he reached the river and dropped the stone. Splash! The stone went under the water. The animals laughed and said, "One stone cannot stop a river, and you are wasting your time." But the turtle did not answer. The next day, the turtle came again with another stone, and then another. Some days, the river took his stone away. Some days, he fell into the mud and rested for a long time. But every morning, he came back. Day after day, week after week. Slowly, the animals stopped watching him and forgot about the turtle. One evening, a young rabbit was running because a wild dog was chasing him. The rabbit reached the river and stopped. He could not jump, he could not swim, and he was trapped. Crying in fear, the rabbit said, "I will die." The turtle was nearby. The turtle walked to the river and stepped onto the water. Stone, then another stone, then another. A small path appeared under the water. The rabbit crossed slowly and safely. He was saved. The animals came running and saw the stone path. They were shocked. The turtle had made it, stone by stone, day by day. The animals felt ashamed. They had laughed. They had waited. But the turtle had worked. From that day on, all the animals used the stone path. But the turtle still brought one stone every day, not because he had to, but because he believed that what he built slowly would last long. We should learn from the turtle. Not fast running and not loud talking, but quiet, hard work is what helps us cross life's hardest rivers. The moral of the story is that slow and steady work always wins. Small steps taken every day lead to big success, and what you build patiently will last long. Follow for more life-changing wisdoms.